Mr. Big was with me now. Nibbling his earlobes. How sweet. I'll show you how it's really done. So I guess you couldn't avoid a threesome, because even if you're the only person in the bed, someone has always been there before you.
Hey, what just happened? Where did you come?
Preoccupied.
Okay. About what?
Your ex-wife's breast, your ex-wife's lips, your ex-wife's long legs. Nicole.
You know, I didn't tell you I was married because it was a long time ago.
What happened?
Alienation of affection followed by divorce. Let's not talk about the past.
Mr. Big didn't realize that the past was sleeping right next to me.
Look at Yep.
The next day, the flesh and blood Barbara asked me to lunch. Hi. Thanks for meeting me. Oh, thanks for inviting me. Wow. I changed your hair. Oh. Oh, thanks. Listen, I have some not great news. I'm back with Mr. Big. The head guys didn't go for a little test. So, it was no good if I could fit him in the ass. Yeah, fuck him. I still have the
Your
project.
shit?
And at the risk of sounding like a groupie,
Nice.
I'd really like it if we could become friends. Friends. 2 hours and 4 Chardonnays later, I was sleeping again. So, never been married. What?
Do you want me to play it now?
Really? What happened? You had a wandering eye?
Give it to Grandma. Grandma will show you how to play it.
Best friend. So, what about you? Are you seeing anyone? No one special. For Samantha, the shit was about to hit the fan. Hello?
It's over.
My turn.
Okay. Okay, come in.
You told
Come in.
Ruth
Come on,
about
come on.
us?
You blow, you go like this, blow, and then you go this way.
Hang on.
Yep, blow, and then you,
This is Ruth Shear.
yep, yep,
Ken's wife? Yeah, I found your number in his
yep.
Hang on.
That's how you go.
Listen to me.
Harder, blow harder.
No, I'm in love with you.
No. Sam's no muss, no fuss affair was starting to feel very mussy.
You can even do this.
I
Look,
don't know who you are, but Ken and I love each other very
here.
much.
You can even do this sweet. You're spitting it, but you're spitting it sweet.
Whatever it takes.
Okay, come here.
I'm gonna keep this
Do this now.
Good
Anaya,
for you. Now listen,
come back
Ruth,
here.
This was a huge mistake. It didn't mean anything.
Anaya, where are you?
Exactly.
Come here, I'm going to show you a new trick.
Sexually adventuresome. We'll keep this marriage together, then I am here to join you. With him. In bed.
Come here, Anaya. You don't. What you do? See, now you should be playing. Hurry up, play. Hurry up. You can sing Rockabye Baby. Now you can play Rockabye Baby. Now what happened?
It's amazing what some sequins on a stick can do to free up inhibitions.
That's not the right tune. You gotta go. And then you gotta blow on it. The other way, the other way.
Get in on the fun during the PetSmart Festival of Savings. Save up to
You gotta blow in it.
over 1,000 items and save $5 on Nutrient cat food. PetSmart. Shopping in store.
Go like this.
I'm Jessica Simpson, and yes, I'm doing
Oh.
There is a
This one blew my snot in there. This one. See, you blow into this one. Now listen, watch Grandma. Look at. She closed her mouth. She plugged her nose. Look like this. Listen.
So I knew
Look.
Weight Watchers was on the way up. It's working. I'm on my way, and it feels amazing. Really, I just want to be a better version of myself. Join for free. You'll see. Weight Watchers, because it works.
Don't do that, Penny. Watch her.
She just got mad because she couldn't do it.